Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Jini. Today I'm going to share with you this quick and easy birthday card that I've made using the Go To Greeting stamp set from the annual catalog. You can find these products in my online store. So let me set this aside and I'll show you how I got started. I'm going to start with my sentiment for this project, my happy birthday, and I'm going to stamp that right onto my Very Vanilla. Now I want to leave enough room for die cutting because I'm going to use my Nested Essentials die to cut this out. Okay, I've cut my sentiment out with the essential die, and then I've cut a coordinating shape using Misty Moonlight, just one size larger. And so I'm ready to start assembling. So I'm going to bring in my 3 pieces of designer series paper here, and you'll want to make sure you have them in the same order of what you cut them so that they look like they continue. And I'm going to bring in my adhesive, and I'm going to start by adding adhesive onto the back of this first piece and adhering it to the left-hand side. I'm leaving an average mat around that, and I'm using the multi-purpose so that I can wiggle these a little bit if I need to, and if you move quickly you'll be able to do this before it dries. The second piece I'm going to add to the right hand side, giving about the same margin, and then I'm going to place the centerpiece in the middle. And you can see where they look like the fish continue across. I'm happy with that, but at this point, if you wanted to adjust, you can. And then I'm going to simply burnish those in place. I've got that done, and I'm ready to bring in my boho blue card base, and I'm going to fold that on the score line. And I'm going to add this panel straight to the front of the card, just centering it like so. And then I'm going to bring in my sentiment piece, and I am going to add some dimensionals onto the back. I want this popped up a little bit to give some shadow, and I can tuck those right in at the point of this die cut shape. And now I'm ready to adhere my Misty Moonlight panel, and I'm simply going to add adhesive to the back and place that right in the center of my card front. And then remove my backings and adhere. And I'm going to line up those 2 points, which should give me equal margins on either side. Isn't that simply elegant? I've got my Tinsel 3-pack gems. These have a little bit of shimmer in them, but they come in the 3 colors, and it happens to have Misty Moonlight, which will coordinate lovely with this card. And I'm going to use the smaller one and pop one on either side of the sentiment, just for a little bit of texture, shimmer, and add a little bling. And that's it. It's that quick and simple. You've got this beautiful card highlighting the gorgeous designer series paper for somebody special. And of course, I've used the Go To Greeting stamp set to create this card. I love the different sizes and fonts of this stamp set. It makes creating projects quick and easy. And of course, if you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Jini. Thanks for joining me.